You guys. All right. So today I want to work on um, I want to do some work on the crafting system and I want to start working on some simple AI for now. Let me throw that in. Uh, I just uh, hmm, okay. Uh, each day. So what I want to do is add one enemy each day. So the longer you go, the more enemies you gets fight off. But they're not gonna be chasing you or anything. You have to like see them, or they might come across you by mistake. Kind of like Minecraft in a way. Mobs. Um, that means oh, that's gone. Uh, the music is way too quiet. Way too quiet. I wonder if it's even. What is this? Hey guys, trying to find some music to play. I don't feel like listening to lo-fi today. I want some synth music. Uh, Definitely gonna be some copyright somewhere in there. Oh well. Alright. I want a new person. Uh, For that. Let's tag this as mechanic. Next. Okay. Alright. So I was working on a fishing line. It's a bit buggy. Hey, Wade. How's it going? Going on with my shader. Oh. I need to fix this fishing line. Terrible. So what I hate with it is, even if I turn back this way, it still draws, that's in 2D space. I'm using a no 2D to draw that line. And I'm gonna make that a, what do you call it? A rigid body. What video? You could link it, or maybe not. I don't know. Hey, tell me that. Look at it. Oh, cool. Thanks. Thank you, bro. Oh man, I try. I'm actually working on a what is it? A new series too. I'm gonna start making like a small game for every week. Like it's gonna be like arcadey, but I actually started. I'm starting with Brick Baker, for example. Well, not for example. That's what I'm starting with. And then after that, I'll probably do what's it called? Space Invaders. I'm gonna just be making like tiny games in Godot. That don't take too long to make. Alright, I need to fix this thing. Fishing rod. So I might get rid of this guy. So where is it? The cast actually. And then use the actual rigid body. And for some reason this doesn't want to come back in. Hold on, let me see. Use if cast equal null. Oh, I didn't set something. Cast equal. Let's check if that's null. I don't remember what I was doing here. I haven't worked on it in a little bit. Wait, trying to do tour defense there, but okay. Yeah, I could even do one of those too at some point, but that's not really a small game, is it? That's a huge. That takes a lot of time to make. Like I'm really targeting like really arcadey stuff. I mean, you could make full games out of arcade games. So the idea is that I make the game and then people could extend it. I'm gonna have like a Git repo that I put all of them in. And nobody could like download whenever they want. Or download the whole thing. Who knows? I could show you it, to be honest. Oh, what I did so far. Open up another copy of Godot. Brick Breaker. Sneak peek. That's something that I'm not done with yet. Just I have the ball and everything working. I didn't do the bricks yet. And it's really low resolution too. And I'm using angles with the whenever it touches the player, I'm using the point, the direction to the ball. If it's in the center, for example, it goes straight up. But that's a video for another day. Look at the resolution. Super tiny. This is Game Boy Color resolution. And then I just scale it up. here. I'm using viewport as stretch mode. Alright, back to my project. Did I mean to do that? Return. I still have my series going on too. Anyways, wait, have you been here before, Art? Oh yeah, I think you have. Like my other streams. Let me show you what I was working on so far. See, close the guys. This guy. Yeah, I think Godot 4.2 messed with my trees. All of them lose their materials for some reason. Look at that. Don't know why. There's some update to the meshes. Oh, there. What's going on? Hold on. Let's look at those trees for a second. Bullet. Yeah. Six trees. First one. Oh, this was the one I made. Not using that. Alright, what's going on with this? Alright, let me try and re-import in the actual models. I was using an external material. Uh-oh. That took a while. External? Why? That's laggy. Didn't mean to use that one to be. Textural blend file. What is going on? Alright, it wasn't that either. Not sure what it is. Let me look at the actual material and see what it is. Surface 0. What is this? Yeah, this is built-in stuff. It looked like it didn't actually use the external one I made. Work. That's weird. Hey Akif, how you doing? That is weird. Godot 2 breaking stuff, 4.2. Never smoother. You look back at this entry. Okay, that one looks fun. That's not working on this. I don't think I used that tree actually. Tree 2. Doing good. I'm trying to continue working on this survival game I'm making. But Godot 4.2 just broke my trees. For some reason the materials don't work. All of a sudden, I'm not sure why. Let me redo this whole thing and see if it fixes it. Assets, materials. Find tree leaves. Already said, so that's even more confusing. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. Sorry. Alright, let me look at this one more time. Where's tree bark? Use. Alright, I'm gonna try that now. Because that's still not working. What does? I'm not even sure if that's the same tree I'm looking at. Hold on, let me double check. Not that tree. Let me open up tree 2. Oh, look at that. Right. But something's off. Oh, it was the wrong tree I was looking at. So maybe it's tree number 1. I should have just pushed import. There's this weird lag right before it opens up the window. Close that, right? The re-import here. And I have a fast computer too, so kind of a lot. Not that tree. See if it's number 3. Or nope. Fine. What tree is this? Looks like it's the same. Oh, this one looks. Hold on. Looking at these trees over here. Oh, maybe these are. I have to re-import this or open it. Let me reopen the scene. Let's see. No changes. Pretty sure it's the same tree I'm using here. Or it looks the same, but oh, let me just check the actual thing. Let's click on this guy. Okay. Trees around lake. Get rid of him. I am using trees 1. Let me see the trees 1 scene. Let's go. No dice. Oh yeah. And no, I already had it. I was already using it, but there was this yellow error that keep popping up every time I opened it, and I decided to do what it said I was supposed to do. To upgrade the meshes. And since I did that, it was trouble. So trees 1. Is there a way to see which material, which asset I'm using from here? Which like GLB file? Take hold to know. I don't think there is, but source. I think I could do it from here. Tree models, tree 1. Okay, so it's tree 1. 1. I'm gonna open the window on that again. So tree models, tree 1. Tree 1 GLB, I think. Yep. I'll try re-importing that again. Light bacon. Where do I should move me. Report. Oh look. Hey send 4.2. Huh, can I open file models, tree 1 models, leaves trees. Cannot open file. Oh, you can't open the materials for some reason. Don't know why. The materials changed too? Somehow? Do I have to remake them? Alright, so it's 3-1. Guess I'll remake it. I'm gonna remake this bark. Troublesome, but 3 bark. 1. Let's say 1R. 3 bark 1R. What? Where did I just make the? Oh, I'm blind. Albedo. I don't know if that's the right keyboard. So I don't think that's the right. That bark again. It's one of these. Wish I could preview it before I click it. Alright, I'm gonna just work at that and see how it looks. Go to the leaves. Create a leaf one again. Do 1 leaves. Let's change it to 3 leaves 1. Then I go leaves here. Right, and turn on transparency. Oh. Good. Make it a little bit less rough. Alright, let's go back to the window now. So 3-1. I'm gonna switch to those. I didn't come on here to do this today. I swear to God, it's so annoying. Where's models? Rocks. Models. Yes, and it's 4.2. Right down here, if you can see it. Maybe not. Alright, let's change this to be assets, rules, change, serial 1. Oh, this is the bark. I didn't name it in Blender. And bark. Is that the right one? Let me save and reload it. Oh, there it goes. Alright, now we're on something. Now I could check the island. What fixes that? No, it doesn't. Great. Item. Maybe I could move this around. That probably fixes. Oh well, I give up on that. I'm gonna leave that for now. Cause I wanna work on like AI and stuff like that. Like a character that chases me around. Oh, I fixed these trees. I can't even see the trees that I wanna look at. Where am I? Oh, it did work. That's weird. They're there over there. I think I can chop them down, so. Oh. Don't know, I'll fix that later. I need to get rid of the white thing from the water too. That's that's more shader problems. And I gotta get some colors under here. Hey, Carter. How's it going? Alright. So I need to make some AI. I'm gonna moving my player character over here now. For now. Where is he? I probably should use a test scene actually. I'm gonna go back to that test scene. Save this now. Close that. Close this guy. Test scene. I'm gonna open up these. I was messing with stuff. You guys like how Godot 4 has they make the viewport minimal? Like this doesn't show up unless you're on something. It usually just be on the last thing that you have. I could click away and it's gone. I kinda like the scene looks a lot cleaner now. Not sure what's going on with this line. That's not me, something I did. That's the shaders messed up. There's color shading. Guess you can see it. Not sure what it is. But it kinda looks good to me, I don't know why. Alright. Let's do the test scene. So I'm gonna start working on an enemy character here now. You know, I'm gonna start with a pill. If this works still. And 7 rocks here. 4 logs. And I need to work on this scene as well. Yep, crash. I know that was gonna happen. I just forgot that it would. Alright, I'm gonna make my enemy. First, let's go back over to this guy here. Let's make this into a shoot. Enemy. So I want him to maybe walk around, maybe. Walk around. I want him to like get food, but that's way too complicated for them, no. Attack player if close. And what else? I wanted to avoid lights, avoid fireplaces, kind of like Minecraft, if you guys know that. Avoid fireplace. Oops. Oh, fireplace. And only appear at night, maybe. Only appear at night. Could I tell it to steal stuff? Sometimes it depends. Steal stuff if hungry. That's gonna be extra if I feel like doing it. Not sure if I'm gonna do that yet. Alright, let's save. And by the way, what I mean by this, I mean like if you have like a container outside your house or something like that, you'll go to it instead of attacking you. That's the idea anyways. Alright. Make a good old pill. I do have 2 windows open. Ooh. One right here. Don't know why I have 2 windows. Can. Alright. Oh, create a good old pill. Cinematic buddy. Character buddy. I mean. Enemy. I'm gonna do some of the basic stuff first. Like just have it chase your own. Create a new folder for them. And I won't have too much types either. It's just gonna be the one. Go over here now. Add a pill. Mesh instance 30. Be a good old pill for now. And collision. Collision. And let's go on here. Could have some states. I don't need any of this. And don't need that either. Then states. This one. So idle. Wondering. Searching maybe. Or wait, Jason. What else? Healing. Not sure I'm gonna use that, but are dead. Right. So var current state. Ready. State equals state. Good. Start with idle. So it's gonna need a search area. Gotta figure out what's gonna be his front and back and all. Are they not a mesh instance? Just use a CSV box. Let's just CSV. I go every time I have to figure out what's front and back with Godot. No. Oh. And let's just see. Right. Now I needed to find a player. Let's create a target. So var target, and that will be null by default. And all right, so var. All right, let's use a match here. Match state, current state. I'm creating a function for each one. Func trace pair. Got a delta here. Might need it, not sure yet. Idle. No. Oh, I'm gonna set the velocity of the base here. Vector 3. I have to figure out the here. Oh, right. I'm programming like C++. It would already know what this is and know what it. I mean, I could do it here technically. State. Right. So let's put a state chase. I have to create a function for that actually. I hate that. Sometimes the enums doesn't work. Other times it will. State dot chase. Oops. Don't know why. There. Filter. Just chase. I'll create a function for idle. Let's call it idle. I'll set the velocity here. Plus I have to add the what do you call it? The gravity. So I'm gonna just idle here. So case player. I have to have two things. First, I need an area for him to catch the player in, and then a timer. So area 3D. I use a box because I want him to look around, or a cone. Collision shape. Does this have a cone shape? Blender shape. Height, radius. Dang, it doesn't. That'd have been cool. Could make one though. Let's use two. I didn't mean to do that. I'm gonna use two box shape. Good cone. I think. Let's create the first box. Operation. I never used this before. You know, I don't know what that is. Oh, I could use this. Then I guess I have to make it. Crap. I'm using the wrong shape then. Do that. Use the, what's it called again? Poly shape or something like that. Polygon shape. Collision polygon. Alright, and what I need now is that there and goes off. And I make it a bit thicker. Okay, rotate it. That's the feel of view. Not perfect, but well. Second. There. That's my field of view. Up. I wonder if it works though. I've actually used that with the area. Good check. Let's do a quick connection here. On body entered. Print out this name. Print. There he is in the scene. Oh. Alright, it's working. But it's printing itself too. After I have an exclusion somewhere here. This guy. Grab his field of view. I'm ready for B equals right, so part changed an area B. So what I'm doing is setting this exclusion. I think it's an or exclude shape or something like that. Oh, I see something. Let's have exclusion. I saw some exclusion thing just now. Get last exclusive. And I'm just looking at class. Remember the exact wording. I know there's a way to exclude stuff. Let's override. Avoid. Already verb and trying to find the exclude thingy. Keep owner this. Good. No Did they get rid of this? Or am I looking? Oh. Oh, add collision exception. Collision exception. Oh, there it is. Add a body to the list of bodies that this body can't collide with. And that's way down in there, huh? Make sure it's inherited by. Nope, it's not inherited by. Dang it. I mean, it's not that important, right? Because I'll just check for the one I want. I just wasted a whole bunch of time. I could have just ignored it. Let's say if body, but if body is self, I think I could do that. And this is the right. It is. So now I know how to catch myself. Alright. This case I'll ignore this. Return. And look at the sprint button name. So what I want to do is to change the state to chasing. There we go. There. I could sneak up behind one and just wink. If he doesn't see me. Alright. I probably should make the field of view a lot longer though. That close, pretty sure that doesn't make that point. So I could stretch these guys out a bit further. So let's go top view. Where I think is good, about 100 feet out. Like that. Not 100, but size of this now. There's no way to check. Oh, I can check. Wait. Knows how much one of these squares are. Get an idea. Remove this guy from 0. It's about 8. We're at a specific number. Oh, 816. That's fine. Put it right on the line now. Or like a long range, but make it a bit higher too. 6. Alright, that's my field of view. So what I wanted to do now is chase the player around when it gets a field of view. Let me give the player the actual in class name. Oh, I did. Okay. Alright, so I could just check if it is a player then. Back to the enemy. Double check. If body goes or type of type of body so this is a better way to check rather than using strings. Avoid typos in the future. And current current say player detected. What is this variable? Oh. Dang. That's C++ getting my head. I've been practicing C++ for a while, so keep doing C++ stuff. Keep my life simple, just do that. No, that wouldn't work. Because it's an instance of body equal instance. Pretty sure the instance. This instance of player. Should just work. Nope. Call the function instance of it. Oh shoot. Right. There was an instance of body function. Get instance. Is this under? There's the object. Oh, it's built in. I gotta define it again. Is instance of. Oh, turns true is the value is an instance of it. Okay. One second. Okay, I see what it is. Body player. Never actually used that one. That works perfectly. Hey first. So here is player detected. I'm making some early AI stuff. Show you. I'm making like a field of view for an enemy. And I'm using detection and all that stuff. Yeah. For some reason, maybe I was doing it wrong. Let me see. Body. I did it before, but it wasn't working for some reason. Let's see. Even better to right, but I don't know why. Oh, there you go. Oh no, the reason it wasn't working. Let me see if it works now. Oh, wrong scene. Oh no, it works. That's weird. It wasn't working before. I was thinking it's because an instance, which should work, but oh well. Alright. That works now. Okay, so what I want to do is change the state to chasing. And I want to have a timer too. Comes out of the view for a while. Stop stressing them. Out of timer. I'll put it right on top of this guy. Base timer. And then censure this guy. Alright, let me do some to-dos right here. Start timer if there. Ranjan, what's up, bro? Man. Dude. I've seen you in a while. How you been? On timeout. Then searching. Oh, let me show you how it looks over. The actual main scene. This is just a test scene I was done. So, let me open them up. Some people don't see it, so. Island. Where did I put the plate? Oh, it's right there. Don't mind the trees up in the sky. it's a weird plugin doing it. I don't know. There you go. So I got an inventory system too and all that. I could change. I was working. Oh, that's not good. Ignore that. Oops. Lines remove. Uh-oh. Broke stuff. Yeah. But I'm having some trouble with the actual stick, the rope. I'm using 2D for the rope. For the wire, I mean. I got pretty much everything. Oops, I meant to close it. Dang it. So I have the axe, pickaxe. This guy, that's not working. It's gonna crash. I feel it coming. Yep. An existing function, remove an array. What? Hold on. That's weird. Array. This was a set my phone on Google to create lines for 3D. It's basically just 2D in 3D space, but let me show you. Fishing rod. So I just have it on a 2D node. And it uses the 2D draw functions. Not really, to be honest. Cause the hard part is whenever you turn the camera backwards, I have to hide it. But I didn't implement that yet, so it just looks weird. Let me show you on the test scene. Restart. Oh god. This is a dynamic typing is annoying. Some reason this is changing to an array. Not sure what's going on there. Why is this happening all of a sudden? This was fine the whole time. I guess because I typecasted it. But it's already an array here. Is that even right? Doesn't an array have remove? Hold on. Oh, erase. Oh, that's because of it's old code. Erase. I had to change it, so I probably messed up stuff there. Alright, let's run the test scene again. Alright. Here it is. So when I try it out. That's an actual thing right there that I throw. And it's like drawing a line between it and the rope. But if I turn around now like this, it's converting that to just be on the screen, so wherever I'm looking behind. I could get rid of it by just not drawing the rope whenever I'm backwards to it. That would even make sense, but oh well. And look at that. I gotta figure some stuff out. Yeah, it's a bit messy. I gotta figure out just doing it in 3D and getting it over with. Alright, let's make the enemy chase me. So I need a direction to the player. Okay, so if the target is the player, I want the player to be the target to be the player. So target equals body. Physical. Then in the physics process, oh, I need to change it to chase too. So current state equals state chasing or chase, and in the chase state, chase the player. So var there equals position direction to target position, and velocity equals times speed, and then move and slide. Need to make sure the player isn't null first though. The target, if target was null, and let's make sure to print something so I don't leave it there like that. I'll figure out why it becomes null. Target. Actually, let me leave that alone. That's gonna start filling up the screen, right? Filling up the console. Alright. I need to move the player out of the way first. Start. Put him. And I need a bigger area too, right? Make this big. Hey Ranjan, you like the new the way you can scale stuff now? With just points for everything. I really like it. Like, I could just do this now. And I could grab this one, move him over. Then grab this guy and just grab this piece here and go like that. Sweet. Easier to create like test levels and all that. Do this. Grab this guy again. Just bring this side over a bit. over here and move it. Just getting some more space so I can run around. That's supposed to happen. Alright, so let me move the player a bit out the way first. But then I don't even have the player. Oh yeah, I do. Alright, let me try it. Oh, what? What's happening here? I was looking at the chat. Am I in the floor? Oh, there's some collision thing going on. Problem here. I think it's because this is overlapping. That one. Alright, let's try that again. Alright. Cases me. So I could sneak up behind him. Or I could go in front. No. Way too fast. It's just catching up to me. Alright. So it works, and I want him to rotate as well. See. Man. Or goes velocity position times, how does this work again? The position plus direction, I think it was again. I made a video on this and I don't remember what I did. And for angle but I'm not gonna use this. I'm just seeing how it looks. Yeah. This is what I hate. Like, it's looking at me, but he's actually backwards. Hold on. I'll turn on his speed so I could. Good. 2.5. Yeah, what I was saying is eyes. So this is basically him looking backwards for some reason. I don't get why. And that's him forward. The whole thing's weird to me. How do I even... So that means this whole thing get flipped around. Or I should just do it. How did it work again? So Z was negative, right? Yeah. We rotate this thing 100. Here. Oh, by the way, Renjin, this is just a random game I'm making. I'm gonna just put it on itch.io or something. It's gonna be free. I'm not making. Just to stream and enjoy the game, making stuff. Still working on my space game, but not as much recently. And yeah, so this is actually the right way. Now I have to actually turn him around here. I kind of hate it. No, they're not gonna ever change it, but no, it should be. There you go. Now it's working. So now I could use my spear. Could just try it out, but I broke it. Knives work still. I don't think I even redid this. I could cut him with a knife, but not gonna do anything yet. It's back and yeah, let's try doing that. Could put him in an enemy group, by the way, or his class name. Right. So in the knife. I don't like the way I was doing this. I was using the same ray on the player. I have an interact ray on the player itself. I had a problem with it. This why I close this scene because it's really slow. And I think I need to change my music. Yeah, I think Godot crashed. Or not, I'm not sure. Yeah, it did. Did crash. Dang. You know about Obsidian Rengen? That'd be good. Yeah, the thing with the space game is I keep on changing stuff. Like no, I decided I wanna do something similar to Starfield with the interiors. Where it's actually I think it's a different ship. It's the same ship but the interior is separate from the ship itself. In a way. In a weird way. But or even like Warframe where it's the same thing with Warframe too. But they have cameras showing outside the outside world. Or something like that. Oh yeah. Instead of weeks. Man, I get the most calls and I don't want no calls. Well, that was Walgreens telling me my pressure pills already. Oh, Ranjan, did I tell you I take pills now for pressure, high blood pressure? 3 different pills. Crazy, crazy. All right, so grid base, allow sorting items. I didn't do that yet. Thinking what to do next. Alright, let me get the player to be able to kill the enemy. Did I close? Oh yeah, I did. Right, wait a minute. Oh yeah. Dang. Oh shoot, that's crazy. Yeah, the reason I have to be taking them now. Remember telling you I was trying to get my wisdom tooth taken out? So my pressure was way too high. I finally got them done now. Got them taken out. It was a lot of pain before that. So I had to be taking the pills before I could do it. Yeah. Alright, for some reason this thing's broken. Oh, you know what plugins these are? This the island is the actual terrain 3D plugin. new for Godot for with Tokusan Games, if you know those guys. Hey, look them up. I just want them because I'm using it, you know. Terrain 3D. And the other one is Scatter, I think it was, yeah. And the grass is just a simple grass texture by someone else. Let me just look at the actual plugins. There is Proton Scatter and Simple Grass Texture and Terrain 3D. And close that like that. Do good. Here it is. Good for Godot. And I've been practicing C++ too, by the way. Both for GD extensions and just learning it in general. Alright, what's going on with these trees? Let me shift them and see if they re-render. Come back. Oh. Don't know why that's happening, but gotta do this whole island. That. And something's up with the water. To do it field of view. Closer I get to it, the better it looks. Yeah. Weird. Yeah. Yeah. I'm actually practicing Python too. But that's just because everyone say, oh, learn Python, blah blah blah. And I have the time anyways, so you got much else doing, to be honest. Other than working. Alright. So I wanna attack the enemy. And my knife, I'm thinking to give my knife an area. An attack area that gets activated or something like that. Area 30. And then collision shape B. Let me look how this animation looks so I could do it right. Do a simple box now. Play. This offset. Put there. That's what you mean. I just will change it. What do you mean by they take the piss out of the languages? I don't get it. Hold on, let me pop out the shot so I could see it better. Yeah, I can show you. Pop open this guy. Yeah, I had a whole thing I was doing. I was even messing around with libraries. I'm GUI docking SFML. It's my C++ practice I was doing. Made a little dice game. Whole bunch of stuff. Clear that one and saving and loading data. All this stuff I was learning. Made a little calculator. Let me open a terminal. Hold on, G++. I think. I keep using. Oh, caps lock. G++. Oops. G++. Oak door. Trying to remember how to build this thing. Oh, I forgot how to build. Didn't know. I'll do it this way. Let's see, terminal. Oh, here it is. X and 6 plus 6, 12. Calculator. Yeah, I've been learning the basics. What else I got? Got a dice game. I think as long as I press a button, yeah. I'm just pressing enter. And that's a lot of sixes. Dice game. And I was learning lists. A whole bunch of stuff. What I like though is pointers. People say they're scared of them, but I kind of get what's actually going on. Doing this little thing right here. That's to call a function from a pointer. Kind of cool. Yeah, I even made a GD extension too. Gotta find it, but I think it's somewhere in here. On verify utils. Have a looper stream. A bunch of stuff. This is what I hate though. With the GD extensions, I have to do all this stuff here. I have to bind functions to their variables and all of that stuff. So I have to first bind the functions to their functions and then bind the functions to a variable. So down here, they add the property. Then you set the functions. Set and get functions for them. So this was a little stream music player that loops between between a start and an end in seconds. Yeah, a whole bunch of stuff, but back to us. So, yeah, what I want to do is activate this area here whenever I swing the knife. Call it knife something. I already had something set up that I don't even have to use this. Let me show you. On the... Why did I close the player again? See? Here. Yeah, so on the tools here, I connect this interact raycast to each item. So there it is. It's already on the knife. So I could actually just check what it's interacting with when I swing the knife. And I know that's probably bad for a knife, right? Since it's a swing animation. But it would still hit, so I could try that first. So for the knife, erase null, reset. Here, say get collider. I could check what it is though. Oh, I didn't change this. The rock shouldn't take damage here. So if object is in group enemy, we'll tell it to take damage. I need to write that code on the enemy. And I need to also give the enemy some health. Let's export. Let's start with 3 or HP equals 3. But I have to take damage somewhere here. Let's put it on the bottom. Oops. Damage. Mount. So I usually set that to a default of 1. Then I'll just say HP equals up decrement by 1. God damn it, amount, I mean. If you know all this regular stuff. 3. Let's see if that works. Like it's not working. Oh, maybe I didn't have it in a group yet. I don't think I did. No. Dang it. Just say if it is a BJ is enemy. Oh. What's going on now? Oh. I like using types instead of groups for some reason. Basically the same thing without having typos happening. 1, 2. They're not working. Oh boy. Alright, let me double check. Wait. Print will be read. I don't think this is gonna work, but that's weird. Why is it printing a knife? Oh shoot! I think it's this guy. It's colliding with the area first and returning. Oh, nice. But now I need him to get hit back or something. So in the take damage enemy, call hit back. Write that function. And oh yeah. If oh no. I'm thinking I could do this. I want the opposite of the direction. Okay, equals negative of position. Oh no. Or maybe that works. Position that direction to target position. Need to make sure that not null. So if target I don't know why. I don't think I need this here, but for For some reason, I know that something can go wrong, and I didn't point. I need to set its velocity to be equals to speeder times I don't know, speed times 2. And I want to set its state to be like temporarily stop. I don't know. How do people normally program that? Not even. Like something chasing you, you hit it and it bounces back, but it continues to chase afterwards. I have an idea how, but I would, for example, have maybe position that it first got hit recorded, and if its distance backwards is higher, but then that's gonna be another problem. I could do a timer. Let's see a get tree. I have an idea. Create a var here equals. Oops. Let's try that. And then that hit equals true here. Hit equals true. Then if it is equals to true in the chase player section, I want to wait for seconds. Hold on. If it equals true here, I create timer. Find get tree. Wait 1 second. I'm out. Wondering if I'm doing this the wrong place. I gotta call move for side, move and side here. Hold on. Come here at the top. I didn't mean to copy that. That. Put a moving slider right here. Alright, let me explain this. Maybe it doesn't work, but I'm gonna explain it anyways. Say hit equal false here. So what I'm doing is whenever I hit the player, what do you call him? The enemy, and I said hit the true, I get the opposite direction and then set its velocity to be that. The opposite direction times the speed times 2, blah blah blah. And then up here now, I'm checking on the frame since that. If the hit is equal to true, it's gonna still move the player and then it's gonna wait until the timeout and set it back to false. And then continue doing its regular stuff. Maybe it won't work, but let me try. Maybe it just breaks, I don't know. Where is he? I felt. Figure out this. I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't know why I'm starting to hit it. Alright. So if I hit him now. Yep, it worked. Perfect. It worked exactly how I was thinking it should work. Uh-oh. Broke some. Was that typo thing? Index thing. Oh, it's null now. Okay, that's gonna be a new problem. Gotta figure out that later on. Alright, that worked exactly as I was hoping. Huh, I wonder why that happened. Alright, that worked. But maybe a shorter wait time, maybe? We'll go back on the enemy. 0.5 seconds. Nice. I could probably make him go back faster too. What do you guys think? Alright. And play that. And this guy. Kinda verbal, so maybe I should put it down here. Right beside the thing. Hey Matt, how you doing? Thing flashing in red or yeah. Eventually we're gonna probably do a couple of those stuff. Hold on. I could try it now too. Oh god, I gotta jump in shaders. Here goes nothing. Enemy. Shaders. Might die. Shader material. Shader. Yeah, let's call it an shader. Right. Don't need this. Don't need this. What I need, uniform, Vec 3 or Vec 4, dash, blur, Vec 4, and set it to be source color. What color? And then I could export golden uniform. Alright, this is a if there's a way to set that back to false. Alright, so color Vec 3 and 6. Oh, I don't have an actual texture yet, so still have to wait. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. I never thought about that either. Instead of writing it in code, I don't need that. I need to give it a material, not a material. Sampler. 2D. Albedo. I'm gonna need these, so might as well make them now. Source. Oops. I guess I could use color here too. Not sure. Okay, again. Main color equals texture. 2 D RGB. say albedo, final. Watch and create that. Then factory equals equal times flash skull. Oh, I have to do an if check here. You know what I could do? Instead of using a boolean, I could just use a float and then do a mix. So this is 0. Then let's do a mix here. Main call plus the flash color. Flash. Uh-oh. Built-in function. I have this backwards. Oh, RGB. So, take a look at him. I'll give him the good old fashioned, you know, call icon. And give him a flash color of red. Center up. And then I could flash him. Like that. Brighter. 5. Should make it unshaded though, but nah, that wouldn't work out. Oh, I could use a tween too. So right here, whenever I take damage, just say tween. Alright, let's figure this. So var active mat equals shoot, I need his mesh. Boy, I gotta grab up that. On ready var mesh equals mesh mesh dot get material and active mat dot shader param. Oh man, I usually forget how to shader material. Trying to remember the actual shortcut. Oh, set shader param. What did I call it? Flash. I gotta put a value here. So I could tween this some random number. Oh, I'm dumb. Wait. T dot tween. I think I could do this. Mesh dot active material. Can I do this? I never tried this before. I usually just create a boolean there and just mess with it. Mesh Get active material. Oh wait, no, I have the active material already. Active material dot shader. How do I even find that? If I'm gonna do it from here, so shader param. Damn. Guess I could do this here. I'm gonna try it and see what happens. I don't think it's gonna work, but because I have to have the value that I want to set here. Or I could just use set. Boy. I think I could do this. I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, it's probably better to use the animation. It would be a lot easier to use animation. Get rid of this. I'll just play the animation here. Okay. I'll call it that. Alright, where are you? Just like that, we're done. First one. I don't really need one here. Seconds. Ah. Back to 0 here. Just like that, we're done. Kinda. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's bad programming if I could just do this. Yeah, like that, that's done. So now I could just let me rename this guy to anim. What else did I here? I know I shouldn't use this here, but I'm just testing it. I must start trying to just do things the obvious way rather than. Why is he red? Oh, I didn't. Oh, this takes way too long though. Seconds happens way too slow. Let me move this down to like milliseconds. Happen. .15. For some reason it was red by default. I don't know why. Save that and alright, let's try it again. Yeah. Why is he red over there? It's weird. I think the animation player will be playing it first. I'm not sure. Or the mesh itself already have it on. Nope. Alright, let me go back to this guy. Alright, let's try it. Hey, I don't know why I changed the red. I think I should possibly. Got 0 here. This one's a 0, 1. But this doesn't even get called when it starts, so somewhere else it's doing it. Oh, by the way, Random, you're that W4 Games just got a $50 million donation or something like that. Remember, it's made by the same people. I guess you know that, but this means Godot can get better, I guess. Alright, so I'm gonna give him more health so I could at least mess around with it a little bit. Why is this happening? Got the material itself. Got 0 by default. Somewhere it's getting set to 1. Annoying too. Could actually look at the code itself and see, not the code, the scene itself. I'll show you what I mean. The heck? Wonder why. Check this code. Alright, let me create this thing up here. I don't think that's doing anything, but could be. Who knows? Yeah. No, it is red, but the mix is set to 0. The red doesn't Hold on, I'm sure what I mean. Let me just run it one more time, see if this did anything. Nope, it didn't. So let me show you enemy. It is red, but the flash, this is the amount that I'm setting here. So this is supposed to be 0, so it's getting set to 1 for some reason. And I don't know why. I could mess around with this and make it local. Looks like it is local, what the heck? Enemy scene. Oh no, this shaded material. This is not local. If I change this to be local to scene, it might fix it. Let's see. Local to scene. I don't think it will, but nope, that didn't do anything. Oh, that needs to be local to scene actually, because every enemy would be flashing red if I don't do that. Alright, what I'm saying is I could just look at the enemy itself and see what if it's said in anything in the code. In the scene file itself. Makes no sense, but I don't know. Objects. There's enemies at. Oh. Open this guy up. Oh boy. Shader. Search for this guy. Control F. Doesn't do anything here. Hold on, I'll be right back. That's it. Alright. Yeah, I think it's something to do with the animation player. That reset track. For some reason, where is it? Enemy. Look at that. Oh, that one. Oh boy. I hate that reset track. They added it to help, but boy, I don't think it helps. I don't know. That was the problem. Kind of weird to have a reset track. It's like it's kind of tacked on to it. And alright, fix that. Oh, I don't have any health thing yet, so I need to work on that too. And the player, I have all of these guys, but oops, they're static, so I could access them from anywhere. Player class. Yeah, I usually delete that track. I'm pretty sure it's selected not to make it. I don't know why it was still there. You know what? While I'm at it, let me just delete it. There, so now I have that. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but maybe after oh no, that's fine. I could just make another animation player that doesn't do any of this stuff. I'm like thinking way in the future. Alright, so I'm gonna work on these now. How should I make the enemy attack the player? As long as he gets close, I guess. And there's this field of view if you didn't notice it before. Little cone thing. Yeah, so for the attacking, need another area. And then just use a box. Collision shape E. And the box. Alright, so whenever the player gets into this guy, you do the thing. If let's call it attack. I could just do body entered. Name check again. Where's the other one? I wanna attack the player. I have to check my state as well too. Oh. I don't know, body damage or something. I don't think I have that function on the player though. I'm gonna rake it. Yeah, I don't think I have the damage mount health increment by our amount. Alright, I'm not doing anything else yet. There. I need to set up all of these. I think I had a function that uses the fatigue over time, world time. I think it's this one. Okay, I'm not actually doing it. Clear. Remember those functions are static, so I could just say player dot health or hunger. Go with hunger. Rent that by 1. Player dot fatigue. I have to clamp these. So player dot hunger. Clamp. Hunger. I think it's 100. This other one. Fatigue. Alright, so every how do I do this? Did every hour I should make this go down? That would make sense because it's 100. I mean 100 hours. Every minute maybe. Every minute I update the player stat. Update player stats. I'm gonna try that for now. Let's see what it is. Oh, that don't make sense either. 100 minutes. It's an hour. I'll be hungry in an hour and a couple minutes. I could play around with these values. Do what makes sense. Maybe every couple of minutes, maybe. Depends. Alright, let's leave that at that for now. I do think I actually had these set up already. Actual. I need to close this. Let's see if that works. Yeah, I think those bars are set up already. Not 100% sure. On the player back again. Oh, they're not. Oh, those are the text. But they probably are. UI. I'll just call this and I'm doing. Alright, let me set it for every second just so I could see it. Time. Okay. Noodles. First, hunger. Oh, these are offset at a weird angle. Stamina. Oh, when I want to run. You know what health is. Get it out, no? You think I should be allowed to swing every weapon? every one of these tools because you can do damage with them. But I'll make them do 1 damage. That'll make sense then. Oh, look at my health. Hunger. Let's implement stamina. I wanna do a run. I do have that one. Alright. Let's go. Move this. Do shift. There. And I need some more. Where am I walking? And just speed. This guy. I make a variable called run mod. For run mod. Set that to be 1. So where am I applying speed? So, times run mod. If input action pressed run mod equals 2x and oops and else just gonna be always 1. I could shorten this. I'm gonna shorten it. The run mod equals if input what is action first and else 1 Showdown expressions. Right, let's try run up. Not solve. Off. Oh. I've been doing so much C++. That's why I put the F there by default. Been practicing so that crossover. Alright, so I'm walking normal, running. And running, walking, running. So now I want my stamina to drain when I'm doing this. Alright. Where is it? Would have to refill the stamina. Alright. Drain. And don't need to do that. I forgot I'm in the same class. Actually, nah. Just thinking about other stuff. Alright. Stamina went by thinking how could I do this? Could say run mod, just make it straight up, but so if run mod greater than 1 point. So else, I want other things to drain my stamina too, so this is probably bad. I want to refill it. Stamina increment by Delta, something like that. Delta. Yeah, that's a run one. It grows up faster than it goes. Then I clamp it. Clamp. And oops, under 100. Alright, maybe that's not connected. Double check. Unless this is not at 100, but it is. Something's filling it back up. Run mode greater than let's just decrease it first. Open. So that happens every time. Not draining for some reason. Let me fix this. Third. A little better, but I needed to space it out. Probably should have did it the other way. A 1V box and a bunch of H boxes. To me to do things backwards. Alright, so H box. I did one H box and a bunch of V. Alright, I'm gonna change this up. Not the V-Bucks. Here. Great, 1 H box. Box. Oh, then and I'll do that a couple more times. Box container. 4 more times. That guy now. And delete that. Paste all of these. But fine. Box needs to go. I have a reason. Uh-oh. Well, now I know why I did that. I could fix it easy. Let's select all of those guys. Easy. Right there. Out. This guy, this. I'm gonna set its min size for all of them. The 50. Oh, 150 or 100. Save and try that again. Don't think it makes no difference yet, but burn fatigue going down. No stamina when I run. Why? So I know that it's not this. Then unindent. Man. Okay, something is setting it back to 1. Stamina. Maybe it's the time. Let's find this here. Uh-oh. Got stamina a lot of places. Oh no, no. I wonder what's doing her. The stamina won't drain. I wonder if it is draining and not actually doing anything. Hold on. It's not showing, I mean. Let me print something here. Print. Probably should have printed afterwards. See, told you, it's running. Okay, so it's not updated. That's what. Page. Make sure I'm spelling it right. Oh, I have stamina gauge. Uh-oh. That could be it. Not sure what's going on there. Maybe that was it, actually. I miss it. Clearly, it's too fast, man. Is it weird that you can run backwards? Can't run sideways. Alright, let's see. Gonna get that back up. I don't know why it went. Man, alright. So now I needed to do it a lot slower. So let's put delta right here. Then we could add it to here. I want it to run to refill slower than it's running out. Only right. I keep doing capital A here. Stop it. Stop it. Right. Still fast or slow it runs down now. No, that's just. Alright, I need a rate that I could modify. That could be something upgradable. Alright, so rate, stamina rate, I guess 30. That's more like it. I think I should make all these blunt tools be able to attack. Like even this doesn't work yet. Alright, that's gonna be it for today. Oh boy. Thirst. I think thirst should go down with stamina, maybe. I'll figure that out over time. Or thirst actually just happens over time too, actually. Depends on how I'm gonna do it. Fatigue should be during the day or for the day. Let me fix that. So with the time, I'm gonna be. Oh, Ranjan. My I'm actually switching. Well, not my job, but I'm transferring to a new location, and I'm gonna be working like evening the end of the week now, kinda, at Wednesday into Saturday. So I'm gonna be like free maybe Sunday, Monday, Tuesday now. That's why I'm gonna be probably posting more often. So yeah. Oh no. It's like a mile from where I'm now, but it's just a better like. Well, it's not better, but more hours and work for work. You know, my job was being dumb. But they're picking up now. But oh well. Oh cool. Yeah, so that's gonna be my days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Man. Oh okay. Yeah. All right. I'll see you in a bit. Oh, actually, let me do this. That's what I was gonna do. So right here, instead of just updating everything with one value, I'm gonna just change it to be. I could pick what I wanna update. So I'm gonna say type and then amount, I guess. So I could call this from anywhere. And then use amount here. Amount. And then change the match type. Then I don't know. I might just use. I could just use a text. Why not? Call it hunger. And this would be. Alright. That's it. Let's do this up here. I have to call this twice now, so I could just call this hunger, for example. That one. I think I should use floats, but oh no. Oh right, I should use. For fatigue, it should be for the day, so go in the minutes section here. Oh, okay, cool. Alright. Gonna update the fatigue. Fatigue should be every hour, right? I'm using minutes for hours, so I'm gonna update fatigue here. Fatigue. And this probably should be a lot more than 20, than 1, maybe 10. So within 10 hours, you would need to sleep or something. Alright, that's it. That's it. And my stream again, I don't know, Sunday. I'm gonna be off Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I was after today, I mean. Alright, take care of whoever else is there. Oh, let me save this too. Go back here, go here. Pop this open in terminal. Git status. Did a lot of stuff. Git add all. Git commit. Oh, I deleted some stuff, so that work on. No, worked on player stats, I guess. And then an enemy. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Get push. Alright. That's it. Alright, take care.